guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a Target haul because I low-key blacked out yesterday when I went, and all of this is like Valentine's Day theme haul. I went in, I wanted to do like a little gift bag, gift box for Maynard. We don't usually do anything crazy for Valentine's Day. We usually just like go out to dinner. Not really big on gifts for Valentine's Day, but I thought it'd be fun to put together like a little thing. And then I got thinking, seeing all the Valentine's Day stuff, and I just ended up with all of this stuff. Let's get into it. The first thing I got, I really wanted like a heart-shaped box. Actually, I have one from a previous year, but I saw that they had like heart-shaped baskets, and my Target, I didn't pick it up in time, and my Target was sold out. So we're just gonna do a bag. And then I also got this really cute card. I don't know if you can read it, but it says, you're the very best. A couple of things that didn't fit in the bags, and not all of it's Valentine's Day themed. Some of it's just like cute stuff that I saw. I saw this cute tray. I don't know what I want to use it for. I'm thinking like either like by the sink for my soaps, or even like candle. Cute or not? So I got this. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but I will style it somehow. I also got this tray. It's just a plain white tray, and I thought that this would be cute. I picked this up first for like the dish soap and hand soap. Then I saw this, and this was cuter, but I got both of them because I thought maybe I can use this like in the bathroom somehow. Got that, and this was in like this was $3, so this was in like the dollar section area. One of my goals for 2022 was just to get our house organized in ways that it's easy to put things back, or we know where everything is. Use the stuff that we have. We gotta start somewhere. So I got this little, what is this called? Jar. This is a ½ gallon. I wanted to get this one and then a bigger one on Amazon for our detergent and like our OxyClean powder. So I thought that this would be cute for our laundry stuff. Now into the bags. First one is more jars. So I got these. I was looking for the glass jar for the detergent, and I came across these ones, and they have 3 different sizes. So this one is small. This one's medium. This one is large, and there's like an extra large one as well. But I saw this because I wanted to put Valentine's Day candy on here to kind of like display. Maybe I have a tray right here in the middle of our island. So maybe like display candy here. Not sure, but I really like these because I figure I can use these for other things after Valentine's Day candy. One bag down. Next, I got this more organization stuff. I got this jar for the dog treats. We have a few different types of dog treats. I have another one with their treats in it, but I like this one because it's a little bit bigger. This one is glass. The one I ordered off of Amazon is plastic, so it actually cracked. I figured this will keep the treats lasting longer, because sometimes we accidentally leave the treat bag open and like the treats go bad faster. So I figure this will help with that. So for his little gift bag, we'll call it, I'll go over those items. One, I got Lindor strawberries and cream, because that sounded really good. It's limited edition. Strawberries and cream chocolates. And then I got, this was kind of like for me, but I got one for both of us. It's Aveeno hand masks. My hands have been so dry because of the winter and washing it so much, and hand sanitizer and all that. So I got hand masks for us to do. Also got shaving cream. I love this shaving cream. It's super concentrated, so you don't need that much of it. He's been using all of my shaving cream, so I got him a new one for himself. I also got these, so he really likes the Biore nose strips, but I saw this brand, Starface Lift Off Pore Strips, and so I got this for him to try. Just a new brand, something new to try. And then I was thinking about getting like a shirt or something nice, or I don't know, but I didn't see anything that I liked. So I got a couple games. We like games, and so hello. So I got Spot It. We've played this before. It's just like a card game. You have to like be the first one to spot things. And then I also got, I don't know if you guys are into Wordle right now. We are. This is not similar, but it's a word game. It's called A Little Wordy. It's a 2-player tile game, and basically like rearrange letters, write down a word, and then you use cards to figure out each other's secret words. So I thought this would be cool because it's a 2-player game. It's kind of like Wordle, but not. I got Sour Punch straws because he likes sour candy. So we got a little bit sweet, a little bit sour. And I think that's all that I got for his little Valentine's Day gift. And the rest is like all treats. So I had to get something for the dogs. This will last 0.5 seconds, but they didn't have like rubber Valentine's Day toys, so this will just have to do. For Valentine's Day this year, I usually make some like desserts. Like, what did I make last year? Chocolate covered strawberries, cookies, stuff like that. But this year I wanted to make cupcakes, and I don't have a cupcake pan, so I did have to buy a cupcake pan. So I got some cute liners. I am a neutral gal, and so I like to do sprinkles of Valentine's Day colors here and there, and nothing that's like pink and red everywhere. I did get Betty Crocker's yellow super moist cake, best boxed cake. And then they had this cute funfetti. It's vanilla frosting, but then the sprinkles are like white and red, and just white and red. And then there are some hearts in there. So I thought that was like a nice enough Valentine's Day on the cupcake. So to fill these jars that I got, I have red, pink, and white M&Ms to go in one of them. I also got Reese's peanut butter pink hearts to put in another. Last one, I got just Hershey Kisses, but they're like in pink, red, and silver. I'll probably make a vlog next week. I don't think we're really doing anything, but I will vlog me making cupcakes because now I'm craving cupcakes. Stay tuned for that vlog. This was my Target Valentine's Day haul, plus some home things. Let me know if you guys like these types of hauls. Typically, we'll post my hauls on TikTok because it's not usually this much. Follow me on TikTok. I do post every day on there, so if you want to see more content, check out TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.